starting around the 28th of May 2023. Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.12% in all things considered, most recent 1 hour in a quite huge manner. ELON most certainly has an especially all-out market cap of $113,043,811 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,381,413 in an unobtrusive manner. This certainly makes Dogelon Mars truly positioning at 192 in the digital money market, or so they sort of thought. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars truly be most certainly worth in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge? Is Dogelon Mars a truly wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will ELON cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed especially high in a for the most part significant manner? These for the most part are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON's future, or so they generally thought. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the ELON cost essentially is supposed to sort of cross a very normal value level of $0. The normal least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to truly be $0, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, ELON can, all things considered, arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0, which really is very huge. ELON value figure May 2023. The Dogelon Mars estimate for May 2023 expects that the ELON may especially arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $0, a very least cost of around $0, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Discussing the very normal value ELON can sort of stretch around $0 May, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Dogelon Mars cost in a real sense is gauged to generally arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of $0, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ELON cost could really arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0, the truly normal expected cost around $0, a very significant manner. Dogelon Mars value expectation July 2023. The cost for Dogelon Mars in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, or so they most certainly thought, while the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around $0, which is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogelon Mars cost fundamentally is conjectured to sort of arrive at an in a real sense the least cost of $0, exhibiting that besides ELON can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0 in essentially significant manner. The ELON cost could especially arrive at a most extreme cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly is supposed to in a real sense be at around a sort of least of $0, which for the most part is very huge. Dogelon Mars cost can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $0, the especially normal cost of $0 USD, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. ELON value conjecture October 2023. The Dogelon Mars figure for October 2023 expects that the ELON may really arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0 and especially least cost of around $0, which generally is very huge. Discussing the in every practical sense normal value ELON can in a real sense stretch around $0 October, which explicitly is very huge. Dogelon Mars value gauge November 2023. The essentially normal cost of Dogelon Mars could go to $0 the finish of November 2023, which generally is very huge. ELON could generally be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0, the sort of least expected cost of $0, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars value gauge December 2023. In December 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars by and large is supposed to generally be at around and in every way that really matters, least of $0, which basically is very huge. Dogelon Mars cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of $0, the especially normal cost of $0 USD, which really is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars kind of past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been explicitly diminished by 1.84% in its for the most part current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the sort of current market cap of the ELON with yesterday, you can basically see that the market cap certainly is additionally down. Further appearance how Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the elon cost certainly is supposed to really cross a genuinely normal value level of $0. A normal genuinely least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to generally be $0, or so they fundamentally thought. From especially most recent 7 days the elon sort of was an essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.23% in a very huge manner. Dogelon Mars certainly has shown areas of strength for essentially all expectations and purposes potential of late. And this could be excellent chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how Dogelon Mars value forecast August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogelon Mars cost fundamentally is conjectured to arrive at a practically the least cost of $0, exhibiting that additionally elon can by and large arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0 in unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will especially be Dogelon Mars sort of worth in 2023, which is very huge. The elon cost really is estimated to arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0, exceptionally least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Certainly further appearance how Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the elon cost generally is supposed to cross in every practical sense normal value level of $0. The normal extremely least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the especially current year ought to in every way that really matters be $0 in unpretentious way. Does Dogelon Mars truly have a future in a for the most part significant manner? As far as value, Dogelon Mars really has an extraordinary for the most part potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels. So besides elon can arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0, which sort of is very critical. It is gauged that elon will increment in esteem, exhibiting how starting around the 28th of May 2023 Dogelon Mars sort of is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.12% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a very huge manner, as per really unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Dogelon Mars can especially stir things up around town the greatest cost of $0 2030. Sort of additional appearance how Dogelon Mars cost can for the most part arrive at a sort of limit of $0, the typical cost of $0 USD in a quite enormous way. Is Dogelon Mars certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a really significant manner? Dogelon Mars' worth in a real sense is supposed to by and large keep on extending, as deficiency will in general explicitly energize cost rise. Essentially further appearance how the elon cost generally is estimated to especially arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0 sort of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Exceptionally further appearance how Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the elon value sort of is supposed to sort of cross a kind of normal value level of $0. The normal extremely least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the truly current year ought to sort of be $0, which in every way that